Hello. What if the key to escaping a poverty mindset and generating wealth was not just in modern financial strategies, but also in the wisdom of the ancients? Welcome to today's exploration of wealth creation and mindset shift. We live in a time where we're surrounded by financial advice from every corner. Stock markets, cryptocurrency, real estate investments. It's an endless stream of potential wealth creation strategies. But are these modern strategies the only path to wealth? Consider the ancient wisdom, which has been passed down through generations, cultures, and civilizations. The ancient Greeks, for instance, believed in the concept of eudaimonia, a concept of prosperity that goes beyond just material wealth. It's about a life of virtue, moral conduct, and personal growth. It's about building a life of value and meaning. Wealth, in this context, is not just about accumulating money, but about enriching life itself. Contrast this with modern finance strategies, stock market investments, mutual funds, and cryptocurrency trading. They're all about multiplying wealth, creating a financial safety net, and ensuring a comfortable future. They are more focused on the material aspect of wealth. Both approaches have their own merits. Ancient wisdom teaches us to seek a holistic form of wealth that includes personal growth and moral conduct. Modern finance strategies, on the other hand, provide practical methods to grow our financial wealth and secure our future. However, is it possible that the secret to breaking out of a poverty mindset lies in a combination of both? Now, let's delve into the main points about breaking out of a poverty mindset. First and foremost, understand that poverty is not just a state of wallet, but a state of mind. If you believe you're poor, you're likely to stay poor. This is where the ancient wisdom comes in. It teaches us to shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, and to find value in non-material aspects of life. Next, educate yourself about money. Understand how it works, how to manage it, and most importantly, how to make it work for you. This is where modern finance strategies shine. They provide practical tools and knowledge to help you grow your wealth. Finally, take action. Don't just dream of wealth, work for it. Create a financial plan, invest wisely, and stick to your budget. Remember, wealth is not something that happens overnight. It requires patience, perseverance, and smart financial decisions. So, the key to breaking out of a poverty mindset and creating wealth. It's a blend of ancient wisdom and modern finance strategies. Embrace the holistic view of wealth from the ancients. Educate yourself with modern financial tools and take consistent action towards your financial goals. We request you to subscribe to our channel for more insights in future. Remember, wealth is not just about having a lot of money. It's about living a life of value, growth, and financial stability. It's about breaking free from the chains of poverty mindset and embracing a mindset of abundance and prosperity. So why not start today? Adopt the ancient wisdom, apply modern finance strategies, and take the first step towards breaking out of a poverty mindset. Be blessed. Bye.